Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Today we have this Holiday Joy Essential Oil from doTERRA. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all guys, it's 15 milliliters, so it's 250 drops of essential oil. It's gonna last a long time. This just smells so good. It's like, trying to explain the smell. It kind of reminds you go over to your grandma's house and she wants you to help her unpack all of her Christmas decorations. And it just has that cinnamony, spicy clove scent to it. You know, when she opens the box, it comes into the air, and that's what this has in it. It just kind of has all those things that remind you of Christmas, Thanksgiving, just the holidays, just the fall season overall. And it just has that invigorating scent, that spicy yet sweet scent that just brings back so many memories from childhood and growing up and just all the holidays. My favorite thing about this, guys, just has to be the fact that it is from doTERRA, and doTERRA does so much work to make sure that what it says is in here is actually in here, and that can give you confidence to use this. And I just love that you can use this in a diffuser to give that amazing festive scent to your house or room or wherever you're using this. I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.